Hi dolls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a 5-month update on the Mio Spa Sciences Microdermabrasion system that you can use at home. So I'm super excited to tell you about it. I am so sorry to everybody who commented and really wanted a 1-month review. I kind of forgot. Oops. So this is for you, Olivia Palmer and Yessie Bot. I hope I got the face right. It's like this, right? I've been using the Spa Sciences for the last 6 months, and this is part of my regular skincare routine. I'm obviously wearing makeup right now, but even with like the makeup application, you can tell that my skin looks pretty good and flawless. For those of you who haven't seen the video, go check it out. I give you a how-to step-by-step how to use it in my first impression. This is the one that I bought. And as you can tell, I still use it often. I haven't cleaned it since the last time I used it a couple days ago. It's super easy to use. I've only charged it about 2 times max. So the battery life on this thing is amazing. It's really good. I truly love it. I use it every day. Sorry, this is kind of gross because I haven't cleaned them. I probably should have. This is my favorite tip that I love to use. Let me see if you guys can zoom in on that. It's really nice and really dirty, but I love to use this right here on this area and right under my chin. It gets all of that nasty gunk out. Like, it's amazing. I love using this product. This one's pretty flat. If you use it on a really high setting, it just kind of scrapes your skin. Not in a bad way. If you have sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't use it, but I love this because it just gets everything out. So like that top layer of like dead skin cells is just gone. I like using the smaller round one right on my cheeks on this area on a lower setting, and I like to use this giant round one on the lowest setting for my larger areas like my forehead and my cheeks. I feel like it gives me like nice cupping action. I don't know if you've seen the YouTube videos. I don't know if they're like, it's called cupping, I think it is, but you kind of like use these little silicone cones and you squeeze them and then you kind of just move it around your face. That's what I like to think of it when I use it, but I have nothing but good things to say about this product. First of all, you can find it at any drugstore like Walgreens, Target. Well, I don't know if they're at Walgreens, but they definitely are at CVS, and they're definitely at Target. I think it's like really affordable. I got it at CVS. This usually sells for $30, I think, and I use my $10 extra bucks, so I got it for $20. So if you can coupon your way out of it, do it. But even without the coupon, it's really affordable and it's high quality. So it still suctions really good. I barely use it on the highest setting. The only time I use it on the highest setting is on my nose. My skin looks amazing. Like, I'm telling you, when I feel like where I've had a week where I've used a ton of makeup and I washed it off, you know, do my regular routine, sometimes I feel like it just isn't really out. Like, I feel like it just builds up, and this little tool just like removes dead skin cells. It really does work. Like, if you're really thinking about it, just get it. And it's just so easy to use. It's affordable. I love it. I want to try their other skincare products. I use it the same way that I did last time. You want to kind of section your skin at 1 or 2 inches and keep it taut and then go up. I like to use it in the lymphatic drainage method, where you're going up on your forehead, out and across on your cheeks, and up from your chin. And it's a good product. I really can't say anything bad about it. So this is just a quick video that I wanted to make because it's been like on the back of my mind. I'm like, I have to push out this video. I have to do it. But it's good. I really love it. I enjoy the product. My skin looks so much better. At one point I stopped using it because my skin just looked really good. As far as hyperpigmentation, it hasn't fixed it. I still get like breakouts on my cheeks, and that leaves a dark spot. I haven't noticed a difference on how effective it is or like how faster it's getting rid of the hyperpigmentation. I can't give you anything on that. As far as wrinkles, I don't have any, so I just have smile lines, but I don't think that's like a wrinkle, so no. I want to say it has helped my acne. When I have whiteheads, it kind of clears them for me. At least it makes it easier for me to get rid of them after. If that doesn't already suck it out, I just go back in with my extraction tools, and then I go back in and it's so much easier because it's kind of removed that top layer of skin that's clogged, blocking the acne from coming out. I haven't seen a difference in my pore size right here. So these are where I have really large pores. I haven't seen a difference as much as I would have wanted to. And I do see a slight difference as far as my blackheads. So my pores have these little dark spots, which are blackheads, and it gets a little bit lighter over use, but they're still there. I don't have dry skin patches or age spots, so I can't speak on that part, but on everything else, I think it does a good job. What I really enjoy about it is just that it cleanses my skin. Like, I just feel like after I wash it and I use the tool, I use the diamond tip, and then I use the other extraction sucking cups, whatever you call it, it just makes everything just feel so much better. So I'm so sorry, Olivia Palmer and YesiBot. Like, I have really been trying to push this out for the last couple weeks, but for some reason I just keep getting distracted. But if you're wondering what it looks like after 6 months, it looks really good. I just get breakouts, and I don't know if it's because of the mask that I'm wearing, but I've had really bad breakouts right here on my chin. I'm just covering it up with makeup, but I'm sure you can see it in the other video. But I do answer all of my comments, so go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any other questions that you have. The only thing that I could say is that if you leave the suction cup in one area for too long, it will start to leave a bruise because it's breaking the little veins down under your skin. That's what the reason why you want to keep moving it around and never leave it in one spot for too long. Even though you have that one little pimple there that you kind of want to suck out, you really just want to keep moving over it and not just leave it in one spot, because you get something that looks like a hickey, just like someone else that commented. And the only other question was that you want to use it once a week. It's a pore extraction tool. It's removing the dead skin cells on your face. So you really want to be gentle and kind to your skin. So while you're removing all that gunk, it is, I don't want to say irritating your skin, but you are causing a lot of friction on it. So you want to give it enough time to heal. So you only want to use it one time a week. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. I really appreciate all the love that you guys have given me and all the comments and likes and shares on all of my videos. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Enjoy the doll collection, where I post weekly content on product reviews, how-to videos, and skincare routines. So if that's something that interests you, you'll love all the videos that I push out every week. Go ahead and click on one of the other videos to keep the party going. I'll see you there.